Create a 3-minute YouTube video about top free AI tools for photo to video creation. These tools are perfect for anyone looking to enhance their content without spending a dime. Want to turn your favorite photos into amazing videos? Let AI help you. With just a few clicks, you can create stunning videos that capture your memories beautifully. In this video, we'll explore the best free tools to easily transform photos into professional videos. From simple drag-and-drop interfaces to advanced editing features, these tools have it all. Stay tuned to discover how you can elevate your video creation game effortlessly. First up is CapCut, perfect for mobile users. This app offers AI-powered effects, transitions, and filters to make your photos come alive. Plus, it's free with in-app purchases for added features. InVideo is a great web-based tool with a library of templates and AI features. Quickly turn your photos into stunning videos using its free plan, perfect for both personal and professional projects. Canva is widely recognized for its powerful design tools, but did you know it also offers a free, user-friendly video editor? With just a few clicks, you can drag and drop your photos, add some music, and insert text to create stunning videos. Whether you're making a quick slideshow for social media or a detailed presentation, Canva's video editor makes the process seamless and enjoyable. In just a few minutes, you can transform your ideas into a beautiful, polished video. With Pictory, you don't just create videos, you can add captions and even AI-generated voiceovers effortlessly. The free version gives you quick, professional quality results for all kinds of projects. Canva, free plan available. Adobe Express offers an easy-to-use platform to create eye-catching videos from your photos. With free templates, animations, and filters, you can turn your photos into dynamic videos in no time. Pictory free plan available. Lumen 5 is ideal for making quick and simple videos. Its AI takes your photos, adds music, text, and transitions to give you a ready-to-share video in minutes. No editing skills required. Adobe Express free plan available. These free AI tools make it easier than ever to turn your photos into engaging videos. With just a few clicks, you can transform your memories into dynamic visual stories that captivate your audience. Whether you're creating for fun or business, there's a tool here for everyone. From social media posts to professional presentations, these AI tools cater to all your video creation needs, making the process seamless and enjoyable. Try one out and start creating today. Lumen 5, free plan available. With Lumen 5, you can easily craft stunning videos that stand out, even if you have no prior experience in video editing. Like and subscribe for more video creation tips. Stay updated with the latest trends and techniques in video making by joining our community. Click the button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't miss out on our tutorials, reviews, and expert advice to help you become a video creation pro.